Hi guys, welcome back to Gamer6533. Today, we're playing some Hypixel again. We're not playing Bed Wars, we're playing some TNT Run. Yes, we're playing some TNT Run. Comment down below if you like TNT Run. If you do, comment down below. Thank you. Some Hypixel. Okay. If you didn't see my skin and if you're new here, I'm Gamer6533. And yes, let me show you my skin. So cool. But right now, let me show you what actually is my skin. Let me show you what my avatar is. Not this, but it will show later. Not right now. Okay. We're playing some TNT Run. Game menu. Where is TNT? Where's TNT? Okay. TNT. Okay. Is it TNT? Nope. Not TNT. Come on, what is this? We're gonna play TNT Run. It's not this game. It's something else. Where's TNT? TNT. Not this again. What is this? Yes. I found some TNT Run. Where is TNT Run? I want to play TNT. Aha. Found it. TNT. The TNT games. Yes. TNT Run. We're playing TNT Run. TNT Run. TNT Run. Okay. We're not in TNT Run. But worse. I'm gonna play TNT Run, guys, but I don't know what's happening. TNT Run. Bed Wars, no. TNT. Yes. TNT Tap. Skyward, no. House. Murder Mystery. Okay, let's play. Murder Mystery. Okay, yeah. Classic, double up. What is it? Murder Mystery. Joining world. Let's play Murder Mystery. Okay. Please, guys, can you subscribe? Hit the notification bell and like this video. Please, can you please? What is this? What? Okay, guys. Okay, so sorry for the noise, guys. Right now. Oh no. Oh yeah. I'm running away. Ooh, let's go in this door. Upstairs. 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 Right here. Right here. What? No! That was him? Gold. I don't know what to go do with the gold. And yes, so yes. Cat. Yeah, that's it. Okay, you can't catch me. You can't catch me. Wait, where am I? Somebody got the gold. What? No! What is happening? Murder mystery. Ah! Okay. That was close. Please, guys, can you subscribe? Hit the notification bell. And let's get started. Wait, what the? Nobody was behind me. And yep, I see somebody. Run, 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 run. Behind us. I'm a ninja right now. Oh yes, gold! Found a gold. Yes, not the gold. Not the gold. Not the gold. Another goal. Another goal. Yep, I have to do it. But it's okay. This one. Okay, joining one. We're playing some murder mystery, guys. Please, guys, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Please. Please subscribe to me. And subscribe to my cousin. It is gamer. I'm gonna be playing in the next video with Creeper. Yes. Subscribe to him. It's Creeper456. Please, guys, subscribe to me. Wait, it's me? The Where are the people? Got somebody. Yes. Finally. I see names. Who are you? Who are you? What the? I'm the murder mystery. I'm trying to get these people. I'm gonna get you. Get him. Come here. Oops, sorry about the light, guys. What the? Where are you guys? Come on. Oh, I see somebody. I see some people. I'm getting you. The. Get you. Okay, Bedwars. No. What is it again? Murder mystery. Yes. Please, guys, can you subscribe? Hit that notification bell. Please. I really need subscribers. Yes! What? I'm glitching. I was glitching! What? Let's play this again. What the? No. The classic. Classic. I didn't take full damage. That's good. Oh, I like murder mystery. Woo. I can go. This parkour. That's good. Gold. Oh no. No. Gotta. Oh. Gold. Okay, 2 gold. Okay. Hurry. Ooh. Please, guys, subscribe so it'll give me good luck. Okay. So the murdering mister did not get me. Oh my god, I just saw that. Hide. Get the gold. How do you get the gold? Yes. Go gold. Shift. More gold. Triple XP coins. No, I'm not gonna hold it. Cause or the murder mystery is gonna see me. No. Thank you. I almost fell into the lava. Oh, that was close. Yes, more. I got more. More. Oh my god, there's a blaze. Oh, the blaze is nothing. And more gold. Oh, more gold. The murder mystery didn't know. Oh no! Something more. Yes, we win! Alright, GG for everybody. GG, yes. Murder mystery again. Let's go. Sorry for the noise. Okay. Some people are talking. Okay. Yes! That's good. Taming when murder is not allowed. This is classic. Whoa. So, what is this? Hello, I'm the king of the city. Nobody is about to touch me. Okay. I can't lose. That's good. Oh no. I just heard somebody. Oh, why did you get that gold? Do not get other golds. Only the gold. What is this? Yes, I found gold. And 1 gold already. That's another creeper head, guys. Oh no, the detective. Oh no. I'm gonna die. Okay, I didn't die, guys. That's good. Gold.